Now you might be thinking that why we need API. So you might be thinking that okay, developers and programmers, they already know about coding and all, so they can develop the API by themselves. So why will they going to purchase our API? So my friends, answer is that building API is also a time consuming method. Okay, and it's not always possible for developers to create your API, because just for an example, let's say we are collecting or creating one API using data. So in that case, you will going to collect lots of data and you will going to analyze it, and on that basis you will going to create APIs. But the developers and programmers will not going to have that much time to collect the data, analyze it, and on that basis to create API. So they will in that case will only going to purchase the API, okay, which you will going to create. Okay, they will not going to analyze for some trending APIs. Okay, so that's the reason. There are various reasons, and that's why developers and programmers avoid to create APIs by themselves, because this is a very latest technologies nowadays and they do not put lots of efforts here. So they just prefer to purchase the API created by we people, API creators. Okay, so that is what I just want to tell you. First reason is that why programmers and developers will not going to or why they will going to purchase your APIs, because building an API is time consuming for them, because they already have lots of work to do for their programming and development. So they will not going to get the time to develop the API and put their efforts here. Okay, and it's not always possible for developers to create your APIs because of various reasons I have shown you, like data, strengths, and many more. Okay.